It's all rolling sheds. It's called awning. We supply this type of rolling sheds, manual and automatic remote operated system for office, house, shops, godowns, or anything. Waterproof and heat-proof, rainproof model. You can open and you can close anytime. Just make a call and get door delivery and fixing also we provide. Our phone number 92463726692. We supply different type of foldable sheds and foldable awnings for house or office. Just make a call 92463726692 with best quality LG fabric we use for awning fabrication with aluminum channels and fixing, transportation, planning, structural designing, everything will provide. It you can use for garden or car parking also, and not only for residential, commercial shops also we can supply this type of awnings. For shops, it is openable awning. Anytime you can open and you can close. Rain is very difficult any time, but it is safe. It's a safe model. You can use up to 10 years also. It's all complete adjustment. 1 feet to 10 feet you can open, you can close. Our phone number 92463726692.